Hi everyone, I'm Amir representing Beacon. Now I'm going to present a tip in SolidWorks flow simulation how we can create automatic goals while defining the boundary conditions in the SolidWorks flow simulation. So here I took one of the example problem in the SolidWorks flow simulation. So in actual way what we are going to do is we are going to define the initial boundary conditions. So here I select the inside phase and I'll specify the inlet mass flow rate. The another outlet condition I will specify the environment pressure. Okay, so if you want to calculate the pressure drop from between the inlet and outlet conditions, so we need to select manually, we need to define the goals. So I'm going to define the surface goals. At the inlet condition I select the static average pressure. Like similarly if you select the environment pressure, so here also I'm going to static average pressure. Now I can define the equation goals, the pressure drop from the inlet to outlet conditions. Now here this one we created is manually, but how we can create that automatic goals while defining the inlet mass flow conditions or any other boundary conditions. So here I'm going to define the new project. So for this, for creating automatic goals, so go to the SolidWorks options and select the third party. So here we can find under for boundary condition, so which we are mostly using that boundary condition. Here I'm going to double click, I'm selecting as a static average pressure, click, and similarly here, because here I use the environment pressure, then you double click here, you can select the static average pressure. So once you are defining this one, so you can close this one. So now you can go like insert the boundary conditions, select the inside phase, then under the below under options you can create the associated goals. So once if you done this one, so it will automatically create the goals which is defined in the third party options. Like similarly I can go like insert boundary conditions. So here you can select insert phase, I will select as a environment pressure. So under the options you can select the create associated goals. So now we can define the equation goals. So like this is the way we can create the automatic goals with respect to the which is the boundary conditions we are defining. So like this is the way we can reduce the time while defining the flow simulation products. So thank you all.